In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple users to upload files to Google Drive. This is a great way to collaborate on projects, share resources, and streamline team workflows. We'll go through a clear, step-by-step guide to help you set this up effortlessly, even if you're new to Google Drive. First, let's kick things off by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account that you want to use for sharing. You'll see your Drive interface with all your folders and files. If you don't already have one, create a new folder where you'll collect files uploaded by multiple users. To do this, click on the New button on the left-hand side and select Folder from the options. Give your folder a meaningful name, something easy for collaborators to understand. Once your folder is created, locate it in your Drive. Right-click on the folder and select the option Share from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up allowing you to adjust the sharing settings. Here, you'll want to add the email addresses of the people you wish to grant uploading permissions to. Simply type in their email addresses in the designated field. There's also a section here to add a personalized message to invitees, which is optional but can enhance clarity and communication. Now, crucially, you have to adjust the permission settings to allow uploading. You'll see a pencil icon next to the emails you added. Click on it, and from the drop-down, choose Editor. This setting allows users not only to view and comment, but also to edit content within the folder, which includes uploading files. If you only want users to view and not make any uploads or edits, you'd select Viewer instead, but for our purpose, ensure you have Editor checked. Once you've adjusted the permissions, click Send. The invited users will now receive an email notification with a link to the shared folder. You can also uncheck the Notify People checkbox if you prefer to share the folder link through other communication channels. For additional security, and if you're working with sensitive information, consider setting expiration dates for their access, which can be done under Settings in the same sharing window. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Google Drive folder to allow multiple users to upload files. All they need to do now is open the shared folder from the email link or through the Shared Folders section of their own Google Drive, and they can upload files as necessary. This method is an efficient way to collaborate with team members, classmates, or anyone else globally. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to set up multiple uploader permissions in Google Drive. Now you're all set to manage your files and collaborate with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Google Drive tips and tricks. Happy collaborating!